Download the Instagram app. On an iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Instagram and tap Get to Download. On an Android, go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Install. Open the app. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the Instagram icon to open it. Sign up. You have two options here. Option 1, sign up with phone or email. Tap Sign up with email or phone number. Enter your phone number or email and tap Next. If you used your phone number, enter the verification code sent to your phone. Option 2, sign up with Facebook. If you want to use your Facebook account, tap Login with Facebook. Create a username and password. After entering your phone number or email, create a username and password. Choose a unique username. Instagram will suggest alternatives if your preferred one is taken. Tap Next once you've set them. Okay, so now you'll be asked to add a profile picture. You can totally skip this step if you prefer. Also, you can enter your name, which is optional, and link your contacts if you want to find friends on Instagram. Once you're done, just tap Next to move on. All right, moving forward, Instagram will suggest following people from your phone contacts or Facebook friends. You can either skip this step or follow the suggested accounts. It's entirely up to you. Great, now that your account is all set up, you can begin exploring Instagram. You can post photos or videos, follow other accounts, and engage with content through likes, comments, and direct messages. Have fun exploring. And that's it! You've successfully created an Instagram account. If this video is interesting and you'd like to get notifications when new videos are posted, please subscribe, like, and comment through the links below. YouTube link, http://youtube.com/@scholarsprivatecollege 8978 or Facebook https://web.facebook.com/scholarskull. Telegram group link https://sellerco/7477io. Thank you.